Hello children, welcome to my lecture. Children, today we are going to do section 4 genre drama 4.4 The Sign of Four, written by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. So children, we already know Sir Arthur Conan Doyle was born to the Irish Catholic parents in Scotland during the middle of the Queen Victorian reign over the United Kingdom. So let's we study 4.4 The Sign of Four, written by Sir Arthur Ignatius Conan Doyle, who was born on 22nd May 1859 and he was died on 7th July 1930. He was a British writer. His father name is Charles Doyle. He was a drinker, means he is what? Alcoholic person, and he is very poor, and that's why children, the Doyle's uncle is a rich person and he paid his fee of education. So Doyle created the character Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock Holmes is actually not a real character. It is imaginary character made by Conan Doyle. Conan Doyle was originally a physician. In 1987, he published a study of Scarlet, the first of 4 novels and more than 50 short stories about Holmes and Dr. Watson. This Holmes and Dr. Watson both are imaginary character of his novel. Sherlock Holmes' stories are generally considered milestone in the field of crime fiction. Doyle was a prolific writer. Other than Holmes' stories, his work include fantasy and science fiction stories about Professor Challenger and humorous story about the Napoleonic soldier Brigadier Gernard, as well as plays, romances, poetry, non-fiction and historical novel also written by a Doyle. One of Doyle's early short story, that is J. Habakkuk Jepson's Statement, helped to popularize the mystery of the Mary Celeste. The Sign of Four is the second novel of Arthur Conan Doyle, in which the Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson solve the mystery of the hidden treasure and murder. So today we are going to learn the same drama, or we can say same novel, The Sign of Four. So before starting the drama, we have to know the character of this novel. See the children, this is the major character of novel, and now afterwards I will give you the minor character also. See the Sherlock Holmes major character: Sherlock Holmes, Mary Morstan, Thaddeus Salto, Toby, John Watson, Major Salto and Tonga. So let's first of all we have to take the information regarding the major character Sherlock Holmes. See, he is a Sherlock Holmes. We already know children, Sherlock Holmes is a imaginary character which is made by our writer, right? Created by our writer. See the another pic of Sherlock Holmes. So first of all children, we have to take the information regarding our major character. First one, that is Sherlock Holmes. Already we know children, Sherlock Holmes is an imaginary person who is created by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. So we have to take information regarding Sherlock Holmes according this novel. Sherlock Holmes is a fictional private detective created by British author, that is Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Referring to himself as a consulting detective in the stories, Holmes is known for his proficiency with observation, deduction, forensic science and logical reasoning that border on the fantastic, which he employs when investigating cases for a wide variety of clients, including Scotland Yard. As we know, students, Sherlock Holmes is a brilliant detective with an exceptional keen eye for detail. He is known for his distinguishes his logical deduction and his early use of forensic science. Holmes is the one who solved the case that is deeply concerned with his own mental stimulation and tries to keep his mind occupied. As such, when waiting for news, he tends to perform chemical experiment. Holmes shows little emotion and really cares about the fact of the case. The separates him from the common man and makes him seem different. He worked as a consulting detective for 23 years and 17 years of those were with John Watson. Means he worked 23 years, no children, and among of 23 years, 17 years he worked with what? Dr. Watson. Holmes' only true friend is whom? Holmes' only true friend is Dr. John Watson. Holmes maintained little to no connection with any female. Holmes not having any connection with any female except for his housekeepers. That person, that lady name is what? Mrs. Hudson. Now next character, he is what? Dr. John Watson. Already I told. Holmes and John Watson both are an imaginary character, and this is what? John Watson. John Watson is Holmes' partner and roommate. He also narrates all but 4 of Holmes' adventures. He was originally named Armand Sacker before Conan Doyle decided on John Watson. He was a doctor in the army and has a bullet in his leg which can occasionally impede his movement. He is also a very good shot. Watson has a strong sense of honor and direction on occasion. He tries to solve cases without Holmes with a limited degree of success. He is a more empathetic and human counterpart to Holmes. He is very intelligent but lacking in power of observation. Watson is later married to Miss Mary Monson. Now next major character is Miss Mary Monson. See, Mary Monson bring the case to Holmes and Watson attention. She has been reaching unsuccessfully for her father and has received several mysterious pearls in the mail. Mary is described as blonde with pale skin. She was working as a governess when she contacted Holmes. Her mother died soon after Mary's birth, and Mary was educated in England. At end of the story, Mr. Watson proposed Mary, we can say Mary Monson, and Mary Monson accept. She is at that time 27 years old when introduced. Mary isn't really interested in the treasure and the fortune it would bring, and she is happy when the chest is empty. Mary's father was senior captain within his group and disappeared in London when visited his daughter. He was a good man who felt guilt about his action in the war. He died when his heart gone out and he felt cracking his skull. Next person is Major Sholto. Major Sholto was an officer and friend of Arthur Most. He was the one who was originally approaches about the location of the treasure. As Jonathan Small believed that his greed would make human easy task, Sholto is tasked with the retrieve of the treasure, but take it all for himself, leaving Small and Martian without anything. When the Martian later confront him, Martian has a heart attack and dies. Sholto hides the body and keeps the treasure. He lives the rest of his life plagued by extreme guilt and fear. He dies after seeing Jonathan's small face in a window. Next character is Thaddeus Salto, Major Salto's son. Thaddeus is the one who sent the pearls to Mary Monson. Already we know Thaddeus Salto was what? Thaddeus Salto was a son of Major Salto. He only sending what? Per year pearls to Mary Monson. He does this to try share his wealth after finding that his father was involved in Major Monson's death. He collects art and contact homes when he finds that his brother has located the treasure chest. He is heavily disappointed in his father's action. He is in chronically poor health and he is twitching and nervous. Twitching means very worried, and he is very worried and nervous. Thaddeus is originally arrested as a suspect in his brother's murder, as it was known that they fought the night before the murder. See children, next character, Bartholomew Salto. Bartholomew Salto is Thaddeus' twin brother and Major Salto's son. He doesn't like to share wealth or information with Holmes or Morstan. Bartholomew discovers the chest and is later killed by Toga with a poison dart. You know children, dart means a small sharp weapon. Next character, Jonathan Small, the wooden-legged man. See, this person had wood leg. One leg is wood leg, right? Jonathan Small is the antagonist of the story. Small has a wooden leg which he got following an accident involving a crocodile. He was one of the four, a group of men who discovered a cache of jewels. After this, an uprising occurred and Small was captured in prison. In prison, he passed on the secret to Major Morstan and Salto. Morstan retrieves the jewel but betrays the other, leaving Small in a prison. When Small gets out, he heads to the England to try to get his share. He believes that he and the rest of the four are the only one entitled to the treasure. When almost captured, he dumps the jewel in the river. He enlisted Tonga to help him in his quest. Small is not afraid to resort to violence to achieve his goals. Although he was disappeared when Tonga killed Bartholomew, Small has a beard and is Ventan. He also have a very lined face. Next major character is Tonga. Tonga is an Andaman Islander who is absolutely devoted to Small. Small nursed Tonga back to health. Small nursed Tonga back to health when Tonga was ill. He helps Small escape and break into Soto's house. Tonga is the one who killed Bartholomew. He is now considered to be a rather racist character, with Dole describing him as animalistic and savage. This reflects the Eurocentric mindset of Dole's time. Till to here we taken the information regarding major character of the novel. Now we are going to take information regarding the minor character of this novel. First character is Toby. Toby, a small mongrel dog who helped Holmes Watson to trace the origin of the creosote. Next is Mr. Smith. Mordecai Smith and his son Jim unwillingly helped the Toga escape on their boat. the Aurora. Next person is Athelney John. Athelney John is the helpless detective from Scotland Yard, the official police agency. He is described as a fat and bubbling man and is in a position of high authority. He functions as a counter, for example, to Sherlock Holmes' genius, frequently coming up with the wrong theories about the case and even arresting the wrong man, that is Thaddeus Salto. Ultimately, John knows Holmes is superior to him in intellect and resort to asking for help from the great detective. John is happy to take credit for Holmes' work, though does also express his gratitude for the assistance. Next minor character is Captain Morgan, who is the father of Mary Morgan. Captain Morgan was an officer in the British Army who served in India. He is Mary Morgan's father, and his unexplained disappearance is the catalyst for the novel plot. He was friend with Major Salto and had agreed with him to facilitate Jonathan Small escape from the Andaman Island penal colony, where he and Salto were working in exchange for a share of the Agra treasure. Salto deceives him and takes the treasure for himself, according to Thaddeus Salto, which is turn is according to Major Salto. Captain Morgan died from a heart attack during an argument with Salto. Salto then hid his body to avoid suspicious and the detection of the treasure. Next character is MC Murdo. MC Murdo is the doorman at the Pondicherry Lodge, the Salto family home, when Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson, Miss Morgan, Thaddeus Salto arrived. He is unwilling to let anyone but the Thaddeus into the house under order from the Bartholomew Salto. However, his attitude soon softened. When Holmes realized that the two have met before in an amateur boxing match. Next one is Abdullah Khan. Abdullah Khan is an Indian man and one of the signatories of the Sign of the Fourth, the man who told Jonathan and Small about the Agra treasure. The plan to kill the merchant carrying the treasure was mostly Abdullah's idea, but he was imprisoned for the murder before he could enjoy his riches. Next character is Mrs. Forrester. Mrs. Forrester employs Miss Morgan as a governess, but the relationship between the two women is more like that of close friends than employer and employee. Dr. Watson visits her home to give the two women information about the case and remarks upon its century-like qualities. Next character is Mordecai Smith. Mordecai Smith is the proprietor of the Aurora boat and is portrayed as a common working class man. He agrees to help Jonathan Small and Toga escape, but is apprehended when Sherlock Holmes and his entourage run the boat. Next character is Mrs. Hudson. Mrs. Hudson is the landlady and housekeeper at 221B Baker Street, the famous London address of Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson, where they both are living or they stay. She shows concern to Holmes when he grows increasingly and agitated at the irresolution of the case. Next character is Mrs. Burnstone. Mrs. Burnstone is the housekeeper and Pondicherry Lodge, the family of the Sholto. When Sherlock Holmes, Dr. Watson, Miss Morrison and Thaddeus Sholto go to Pondicherry Lodge, they encounter distressed Mrs. Burnstone, who is worried that Bartholomew Sholto has not been out of his room all day. Another character is Mohammed Singh. Mohammed Singh is an Indian man and one of the signatories of the sign of the four. He colluded with the Jonathan Small, Abdullah Khan and Dost Akbar to seize the Agra treasure. Next is Dost Akbar. Dost Akbar is an Indian man and one of the signatories of the sign of four. He lures the merchant, the man who is carrying Agra treasure, into the trap set by the other man. So in this way we are taking information regarding the character of the novel The Sign of Four. So today children, in this way we studied in 4.4 The Sign of Four about the novelist Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, and we are taking information regarding the major and minor character of The Sign of Four. And so this way we stop here our lecture. Next lecture we will do the remaining part of the novel.